Hi, my name is Jonas, and in this video I'll be showing you my favorite Shopify app. And this app alone has generated sales of 14,000, but it gets even better because of two reasons. Number one, as you can see right here in the dashboard, I've only spent $20 to make these 14,000 in sales. And number two is that it's super easy to set this up, and once you set up everything properly, and I will show you exactly how you can do that in this video, you don't have to worry about anything because this app works automatically. If that sounds good to you, please smash the like button. So let's get started with the video. To put these 14,000 in sales a little bit into perspective, I want to show you my entire sales with this one Shopify store that I'm talking about. This store has made 114,000 in sales in total. So basically 10% of the entire sales are attributed to this one single app, and this is just insane. The app that I'm talking about is called SMS Bump, and you can just go to the Shopify store and download the app. It's free. And once you've downloaded the app, you can just open it and the dashboard will pop up and it will look exactly like what you see in this video. And also, to set the app up, there's a little configuration process, but I will not describe this configuration process in this video. It's super easy. You guys will figure it out. So the first thing you need to do is top up your balance. I would recommend to start with $40. That's more than enough. And SMS Bump has a lot of features, but the one that worked so well for me and that has helped me to make these 14,000 is called Abandoned Cart Reminder. What this feature does is when somebody puts in all his contact details to check out, but then decides to exit, he will receive a short message on his phone with a text saying, "Hey," then his first name, "We saw that you checked out but you didn't complete your purchase. Here are 10% off your order, and here's a link how you can complete your checkout." So basically this app is an amazing retargeting tool. So after you topped up your balance, just go to automations, as you can see it right here, and start to edit abandoned cart reminder 30 minutes delay. You just click here on edit. Change it from 30 minutes to 7 minutes. Then make sure the delay is enabled. Change the message timing to 7 minutes. And right here you have the option to insert a GIF or a picture. I would suggest that you upload your brand logo there. For the sake of this video, I will just upload a GIF. All right, and right here you're gonna see the text message, and you can also edit this text message, what the customer is receiving 7 minutes after he abandoned his cart. This default message that you see right here is already fine. I wouldn't change it up too much unless you want to make it fit to your brand a little bit more. But I think it's fine and it has worked super well for me. So what you want to do after is just hit save and make sure the status is turned on active. What you want to do after is you clone the abandoned cart reminder after 7 minutes delay, and you create another one, cart reminder, that comes after 2 hours, because there will be some customers who won't react to the first text message that we sent them. So we will send them another one after 2 hours. Abandoned cart reminder 2 hours. Delay enabled, very important. And you have to change the message timing to 2 hours. You can attach a GIF, anything of your choice. And I would change the text up a little bit to create a sense of urgency, so the customer finally makes the purchase after 2 hours. And I said, "Hey, we're expecting to sell out in the next 3 hours, complete your order now." And I even give him a little bit bigger discount than before, which is 15%. Make sure to save that and turn the status on to active. So basically we have two abandoned cart reminders now, one after 7 minutes, which usually makes the most money. Then we have another one after 2 hours, which give customers a higher percentage off of their purchase. But let's create one more to be really aggressive in our retargeting. So I take the 2 hour one, I just clone it and change the name to 20 hours. Hit save. So let's edit this one. On the cart reminder after 20 hours. Make sure the delay is enabled. Message timing after 20 hours, really important. And then you can again attach another GIF. So for the sake of this video, I'm just like, selecting something, maybe cart. Just choosing this one, but I'm sure you can find anything else that's better, or you can also just use a product picture, whatever you want. Now we're gonna change up the text message. So here's an example of what you can write in this text message. So I've said, "Last chance to complete your order. We are almost out of stock. Complete your order now." And I give the customer a 20% off discount. And the reason why the discount is so high is that it's still so much more profitable for us if we give them like 20% discount instead of losing him, because acquiring a new customer is usually really expensive, especially when you use Facebook ads. So you really want to make sure that you capitalize on the traffic that you get to your store. So 20% off, then you make sure you add a discount, switch over to percentage and hit 20%, add discount and hit save. Make sure the status is turned to active. And before we end this video, I just want to show you real quick how effective these 3 automations are. So basically the first one makes the most money for you guys. So the 7-minute delay has generated 14,000 something. Then basically the 2-hour delay has only generated 95. But even the abandoned cart reminder after 20 hours has also made a little bit of money, even if it's quite low. But it's definitely worth to have all 3 of them to really get the most out of your store traffic. And guys, that's already it. And I'm sure you will have some amazing results with this app. I'm totally convinced. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And I would highly appreciate if you guys subscribe, and I really hope to see you next time.